Hello all, today we are going to evaluate our patient's jaw's path to have a nice and denser hair on the head. So I wanted to evaluate this case specifically because I want to show you guys how effective finasteride plus minoxidil treatment is. Joe came us with nearly most of the hair gone on the first half of the head, and he had a nice donor zone, by the way, but also he had some missing density in the crown and top of the head. So when I evaluated, I decided not to perform any incisions in the crown because it did not look very bad, and I really thought that it would be a nice idea to give that zone a chance to have a better look with the medical treatment. First, I did incisions. If I believe the donor zone is pretty good and I can reach the number easily as the incisions for the extraction, I always choose to do incisions first because you don't gamble, you know the graft number exactly, how many you will extract, and you don't extract more than you need. And second benefit is the wait time of the grafts on the table is shortened, so my success rate is increased. I first did incisions as 3850. We can see his 2 months results. Yeah, most of the implanted hair is gone, and also there is no significant improvement in the top and the crown too, because the finasterides and minoxidil effect starts at 6 months. So let's go to the 6 months. Yeah, in the 6 months you can see that his hair is grown pretty well. It looks nice, but of course it's still they're newborn babies, so they need to be denser and thicker. And also you can see that most of the top of the head and the crown is growing denser because the treatment is working for him. And let's go to the 12 month results. You can see he has a new hairline. It looks nice, beautiful. He combed his hair with the gel, I guess, so some parts may be looking in the same way, but as you can see from this picture, it looks really nice and dense. So I want to show you the guys, the top and the crown. You can see how dense it looks. It has nothing to do with his pictures before the medical treatment. So sometimes it's wise not to perform hair transplantation on some zones and try medical treatment. Please do not hesitate to contact us for any questions about your hair loss. Thank you.